EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marticher with your outlook for June 1st, 2023. Can't believe it's already the new month and starting the summer season very shortly. North Penn Car Wash in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania sponsors the Thursday video forecast. Keep your vehicle looking great all the time and stop wasting your money with those costly individual washes with North Penn Car Wash's Unlimited Car Wash Club. You can join at a very low price starting at just $13.95 per month, and it's the only place where weather doesn't matter. We are deep into pollen season, and we've been very dry, so there's a lot of pollen. And your car or truck may be tougher than usual to keep clean. I know mine has. But with North Penn Car Wash's Unlimited Car Wash Club, you don't have to break the bank to keep your vehicle pollen-free. Just stop by as often as you like within the calendar month to get that fresh wash for that one low monthly rate. They are North Penn Car Wash, 986 Sumneytown Pike in Lansdale, Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the Thursday video forecast. So the end of the week period, we're going to be turning very warm, actually hot in some places. We will have across parts of the valleys, northeast PA, up by the Wilkes-Barre area, in that corridor, they're reaching 90 degrees today. But closer to the shore points, we still have an easterly wind flow. We're going to have an easterly wind flow today. Tomorrow is going to be northerly, so in both cases, they're going to be low humidity days. So it's going to be even hotter and from more areas here on Friday. Okay, so the spread's not quite as dramatic. Today's 76 to 90. That 76 is going to be right along the shore points, right around here. So these are going to be your 76 areas, but the lone spot of the 90, I think, is going to be right up there by the Wilkes-Barre. Well, not that far northwest, but that's near the Wilkes-Barre area. As we're expecting that, and even some areas up by like Williamsport, and you get close. But very warm today in the interior portions of our region. And when I say interior, I'm talking about all of these areas right here. These are going to be generally the areas that are going to reach mid to upper 80s today. So it's going to be very warm today. Tomorrow, I think more areas get into the 90s in the interior. 82 to 94 is a spread, so closer to the shore points. Still a little cooler, but not quite as much. So it will be a warm day there as well. We're looking at mostly sunny skies today and partly to mostly sunny here on Friday, or sunny to partly cloudy, I should say. There is the opportunity for a stray shower or thunderstorms, especially in our eastern areas as we get to Friday evening, okay? And I'll get to that here in a second. European model is not really thrilled with that idea here on Friday. As you can see here, it's just with this batch that's up here, might have something sneak into our northeastern areas here on Friday evening. But then the backdoor cold front makes its way through here on Saturday. And again, folks, this is not a lot of precipitation. This is the European model showing some chance for afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms, but it's not that much, okay? And unfortunately, looking at the new NAM that's come in, this is a 3-kilometer NAM, so this is going to be the higher resolution version. It is going to run out of range. Here's later on Friday, and you need to see a few stray pop-ups here. Might be a shower or thunderstorm in a few areas later Friday afternoon or Friday evening, and maybe even overnight in a few spots. And then this runs out of range on Saturday morning. We'll go over the 12-kilometer lower resolution version to see what it's doing, and it's not too thrilled either. Here's Friday. And it shows maybe a quick shower or thunderstorm in a few spots. And then again here on Saturday, but that's it. I mean, there's no darker colors here, really. Maybe a thunderstorm here better organized in south central Pennsylvania, hopefully, but because they certainly need it. Actually, most of us really need it, but especially there. But I don't see a lot of rain relief for most areas. It's going to be a hit or miss thing. It does not look like it's organized. Doesn't look like it's going to be a drought relief type thing. But there is the opportunity nevertheless, and we'll take what we can get, obviously. Can't control it anyway, right? But as much as you guys think I control it, I don't. I can't do anything about this. So it is what it is, and just hope for the best that you get a quick shower or storm. So if you have outdoor plans on Saturday, I wouldn't go canceling them because it doesn't look like it's going to be an all-day thing, and it also doesn't look. It looks like it's rather hit or miss and arbitrary. We'll get into a better when this comes in a range here on Saturday, and again, it doesn't look like it's too much leading up to that. Right? When the 3-kilometer NAM is in range for the Friday video forecast, I'll have a better understanding of exactly what we're dealing with because we're still not quite in range for that yet. But it does look like the European model is in agreement with that. It's just a few areas get into this scattered showers and thunderstorms deal, mainly in the afternoon here on Saturday. Okay, so moving forward from that, Sunday looks like it's a dry day, intervals of cloud and sun. It will turn cooler behind this backdoor cold front, and we're going to have temperatures that are going to be like 70, 72-ish over much of the region after we just spent a couple days in the upper 80s and lower 90s. It's going to be cooler on Saturday as the front moves through, generally mid to upper 70s. And then when we get to Sunday, we're looking at lower 70s for highs. Refreshing low humidity day, though, however. On Monday, we'll have a stray shower in the forecast just for our northern areas, just because with this upper level low and surface low spinning across New England with our much needed rain. And it would be very nice if that would shift south, and it is possible. We'll continue to monitor the next couple of days. But right now, looks like it's going to stay north of us for the most part, but we did leave a stray or isolated shower in our northern areas here on Monday. Actually, any time from late Sunday night through Monday evening, there's an opportunity for that, as you can see here. This is looking at Monday afternoon. So it's across our northern areas, and then this pulls away. Tuesday and Wednesday are back to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are slightly below average, but still very nice. We're looking at generally mid to upper 70s in the Tuesday, Wednesday timeframe of next week, but expecting dry conditions right now, okay? So we're not looking at any precipitation. And I said this yesterday, but it looks like, I do the long range every Friday, but I do it privately in our forum too. The one I did yesterday kind of hinted at maybe we start to see a little bit more activity during the second week of June. Don't expect it much in the first week. But once we get to the second week of June, it might start picking up a little bit, but even more so, I think, as we get into the second half of June. It's just going to start off dry like May has been. So new calendar month, not much difference, at least starting out for the month of June. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martish. That is your outlook for June 1st, 2023. Have a great Thursday.